Today we are up and early getting ready because we're going to the beach.
El sol, la pueden tapar un momentico ahí a ver si... Ahí, y ahí.
Las de mechada tienen un...
Welcome to something. So basically, we were having a great beach day until rain is coming or something. Hey y'all, welcome back to another adventure. Today is day 2 and the last day of being in Miami. Today we are up and early getting ready because we're going to the beach. Good morning.
Hello.
So did anybody dream about the lollipops? No. We did not start a phenomenon, but it's okay. So we're in the car now, magically.
Yes.
We were sitting down
Yeah,
in the chairs and then now we're just in the car.
Yeah, we were in the house, but then we magically appeared in
Yeah, we were like bibbidi bobbidi boo and then now we're here.
Yeah.
So we're waiting for our moms because I don't know what they're doing, but yeah. This is exciting. I have not been to the beach at all this year. At all. Cuz my dad told me, "Come on, let's go." And I was like, "No, I don't want to. Cuz I just want to stay at home and that's not good either, but I don't know what's happening to me. But anyways, now we are going
to the beach.
and it's going to be fun. Going. Well, apparently we're like 30 minutes away from the beach. Yeah, it's definitely way too cold in here. Actually, what happened to the wall? Why is it candy? And oh my gosh, that's my best friend. I used to eat him all. Not him. The chips. Oh my gosh, my child. This is literally my childhood. Oh, I might cry right now. Oh my gosh, everything. We are finally going to the beach. We just got out of a cafe and yeah. Excited? I'm like, okay. I just have to wait and see what the water looks like and then I'll figure out how I feel about this. That's the stadium that was crowded yesterday and we couldn't get a video of it because there was people going crazy. I don't know what happened. I don't know what that is, but it's some kind of boat.
Turn left onto Northwest 11th Street. Then turn left.
I don't know what that is, but it looks like we're passing by some kind of circus or something. I don't know. Are we passing by a... Oh, it is a circus! It is a circus. That's my house!
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You look so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine.
Welcome to something. Welcome to Miami.
If you guys come
Even though this is the last day of being here, so the sand is way better than I expected because it still has not gotten in my shoes. And I'm happy. I mean, I'm fine. I'm scared. The sun is blinding me. I can't see anything.
Okay?
And my cousin is the most adorable, nicest person. One of them. They are setting up something here.
Okay, so you don't get scared, okay?
And yeah. We need to put sunscreen on. Oh my gosh.
Ah, super.
They really gotta rub it in. Yeah.
Come on. Let's go.
All right, it is time.
Wait,
It is finally time, and I don't want to do this, but
your cell phone's gonna get wet.
my cousin, she said she would be with me, and nothing will happen. So I'm trusting you, okay?
Trust me.
I'm trusting you.
You get used to it.
Do I still look like a ghost? All right, here we go. Ready?
Okay. I was. You see all those things? Okay, come on.
It's cold, but it's not bad. It's just like nice. Oh my God, it's so good. It's so good. Is it good?
Yes. It's really good. It's nice.
It's light. It's not really cold. Jeez.
Come on.
No, I'm not going in. No, I'm not going in. Careful. I'm not going in yet because I still have to put my earplugs. I just wanted to see how the temperature was, but it's really nice. All right, bye. So, I'm gonna go put my earplugs on. I'm probably gonna take my hair down, and then I'm actually gonna go in the water, like completely. So basically, we were having a great beach day until rain is coming or something. And I think my mom and her parents are just being dramatic, because if it was like actually gonna like rain, people would be leaving by now. Like they're not blind, they can see. So we're leaving, and nothing might even happen. Oh, I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're leaving. It's 12:30. We had 2 more hours left. And it looks like it could be raining on the other side too. So there might be 2 storms and like trying to enclose the beach soon. They're on both sides. Honestly, I've always wanted to know what the beach looked like or how it was like while it was raining. Have you ever wondered that? I've always wondered, how is it like? But I can't stay because it could be deadly or something. I don't know. I could get struck by lightning. That happens. How do you feel? Mid? Why? You look like the Virgin Mary. Jesus' mom, remember? With this?
Anyways, I feel mid.
Bro, literally the sun is out. It's beautiful. I don't know what the whole drama is about. Imagine it doesn't rain and we just like left for no reason.
Yeah, because they just wanted to leave.
Literally, it's like Miami heat wave dream. Like, why are we leaving? No! This is weird. This is really weird. Now that I can actually see, because the sun was blinding me and I couldn't see anything of the screen, I just realized I looked like dumb. Look at me. If it means I'm not gonna get a sunburn, then I'm all for this. So that was depressing.
What was?
You don't remember what was depressing? That we left the beach for no reason. Well, it was raining, but we still left the beach and it's sad. Really sad. We were crying and everything. We are gonna end the Miami adventure right here. Remember to like
And subscribe.
and turn on the bell to get notified when there's a new adventure coming out, right?
Yeah.
Bye-bye.